This video will cover juvenile myelomonocytic leukemia. The anchor for this video includes, of course, a kid to represent juvenile. To represent leukemia, just notice that this kid is actually Luke Skywalker when he was a child. And Luke is our symbol for leukemia since they sound alike. To remember the JMM portion of JMML, all we have to do is remember that this kid is jamming. If you shorten the word jamming, you can get to JMM. And then you just have to remember the L from leukemia with Luke. This leukemia affects children and it presents with monocytosis and or granulocytosis, hepatosplenomegaly, and constitutional symptoms. Clonal chromosome abnormalities such as monosomy 7 are seen in about 25% of patients. Monosomy 7 is represented by this monolith back here since the word monolith starts with mono just like monosomy. And since there is a halo on top of this monolith, we're going to remember the number 7 because halos are associated with heaven, and the word heaven sounds like the number 7. In vitro spontaneous formation of granulocyte macrophage colonies that are hypersensitive to GM-CSF is confirmatory for this disease. I won't represent this since I think it's fairly straightforward to remember. Nearly 10% of patients have neurofibromatosis type 1. This is represented simply by our main character here with a Nerf gun. Neurofibromatosis is often shortened to NF, and NF is close to Nerf. The word gun sounds like the number 1, so this combined is what we're going to use. And lastly, let's talk about mutations. The associated mutations are in the PTPN11, KRAS, NRAS, and CBL genes. To represent PTPN11, just look at his cute pet prawn. Pet prawn shortened can be written as PTPN, right? To remember KRAS, look at this infamous monster back here, the Kraken. Kraken starts with KRA, just like KRAS. I promise I do not endorse this association. It just worked well for this video. The NRA is what we're going to use to remember NRAS, since again, they start with the same 3 letters. Lastly, we're going to use this delicious cobbler that Luke is going to be enjoying later to remember CBL genes, since CBL could be used as an abbreviation for the word cobbler.